Hello, so today we are going to do these ribs. This rib. So we are having this rib and it's been in the freezer, so it's all iced up, all blocked, iced up, all blocked, iced up. So we are going to, you see, my problem with this now is that it is blocked. So taking it out one by one, if we can, laying it in here, and I'm gonna use the slow cook method. So take this all out. I had wanted to pile it with some, this had to take off. So what I'm going to do now, instead of strong arming it, is to put it in the oven, all covered, and allow it to, to defrost, to thaw, so that I can now align it and get the sweet juice coming out right from the stripes. So I'm gonna put this in the oven, and hopefully it doesn't take too much time, and then we see how we're gonna put some things by the side here and get this delicious. I'm gonna use the slow cook method. Put this in the oven, get it out for after a while, and then put it in, reduce the heat, and I let it cook. So in order to achieve this, I'm going to cover it up with foil. Cover it up with foil so that it can cook faster and defrost. So as usual, I'm going to come back and show you how this was processed. So stay tuned and share, subscribe, and thank you. You see, the beauty of the whole thing is how, you see the structure, you see where the juice is going to come out? The juice is going to come out from here. That's the beauty. The juice coming out from it is the beauty of this. So the juice comes out mixed already with the herbs and everything that's mixed in here. It's beautiful. So we're going to use this to eat our potato, with the sauce coming out from there, with the juice coming out from this one. Mix it together and you have a heavenly combination. I say heavenly combination. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned.